What's going on, everybody? Arty here with the Explorers. We're here at South Station, Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to check out some of the construction they're doing. They're actually building a building over the train tracks in South Station. Check it out inside the classic train station, built 1899, I believe, rebuilt in 1985, and then it was part of a big dig where they had the bus terminal, which we're going to check out as well. But right now we are here at South Station. We're about to go inside. Check out this pretty cool old train station building. Not with the glasses where the train's going on. It's under construction because they're actually building a building that's going to be attached to it. But for the most part, everything's pretty much intact inside there. It's Friday afternoon, so it's pretty busy. And then we're going to go from there. And then we're going to check out the bus terminal and see what that's about. And I'll give it a little history on that. So let's go inside and check it out. So we're underneath the South Station area where the red line and the silver line connect here. So we're in this area, where are we? Right there on the map. And once you get off the red line or the silver line, you walk up the stairs and you're in the main train station, which you just seen. This connects you to the subway system. And then you can go upstairs and you can take the commuter rail. So all the commuter rail trains that leave South Station either go to Worcester, West, or to the South Shore. So, and then if you want to go north, you have to go to North Station. So that's all that. Obviously there's a lot of construction. Now we're going to walk over to the bus terminal and check that out. But the station was pretty much renovated during the time when they were doing the big dig, early 90s, and made it a little bit easier to connect all this, lines together. Plus they developed the silver line at this time, which connects all the way to the airport and to your point the seaport area, which is very convenient, which I've had that before. So, and basically the silver line is a bus that runs on the ground. It's not really a train, but this is the subway down here. It's really, really nice. It's spacious, and sorry, I keep stopping because they keep doing the announcements. But yeah, this is South Station train terminal. It's a subway terminal for the city. Now let's go to the main area of the train station. We'll walk over to the bus terminal and check that out. Here we go. Alright, now we are underneath what the construction of the new building is going to be. So this was an area that was always open, and it was just a walkway over to the bus terminal. And they've started this construction some time ago where they're going to actually put something above this wasted space in the middle of downtown Boston and create an office space. For the longest time, this was always a project that was being talked about. Sorry, those announcements can be loud. But basically it was a project they've been talking about for years. In fact, at one time, one of the tallest buildings in the city were going to be built over the South Station traction. I'm not really sure of the scope of this building, but I know that it's making use of this wasted space that's in here. Similar to the North Station project, where they were building up and above it and creating useful space. So here it is. This is one of the orange lines, purple lines, ready to go. Yeah, so that was the bus terminal. We kind of had a few videos in there. There was a lot of people in there, so I didn't do too much filming. That was built during the Big Dig, and Boston really didn't have a bus terminal. They had a Greyhound station in the middle of the highway that they used. But so now that's basically what they're using for all the buses to come around all around the state and the world. I guess you can take a bus anywhere. So that's our tour of South Station and the bus terminal and the construction updates. If you like, please subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything regarding what we did. And we'll talk to you guys soon. See you later. Bye.